Have you ever pondered life's most profound questions or the lasting legacy you want to leave? What if you had one final chance to impart your wisdom to the world? What would you say? Today we're delving into a story that answers just that. Hello everyone, Book Vibes here, your guide on this journey of knowledge, growth and inspiration. We're about to step into a world where life's profound lessons are woven through a tapestry of resilience, courage and an undying spirit. We're here to explore the powerful and moving testament of a man who embodied these qualities, Randy Pausch. A distinguished professor at Carnegie Mellon University, Pauch delivered an unforgettable lecture in September 2007, aptly titled The Last Lecture. But why was it called The Last? Pauch was diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer. Rather than allow his diagnosis to cast a shadow over his life, he decided to illuminate the path for others. He intended to leave behind a powerful legacy of life lessons for his beloved children and the world at large. In this video, we'll uncover Pauch's essential messages in his final lecture, lessons that can guide and motivate us, and most importantly, remind us of what truly matters in life. So let's dive in and navigate the inspiring world of Randy Pausch's The Last Lecture. On achieving your childhood dreams. Randy Pausch believed that our childhood dreams hold the key to our deepest passions and unique potential. His dreams ranged from becoming an astronaut to playing professional football. While he didn't literally achieve these dreams, he fulfilled them metaphorically, designing a virtual reality system that virtually took people to space and creating an entertainment technology center where he could call plays. Pauch encourages us all to identify and relentlessly chase our dreams. It's not just about achieving these dreams, it's about the journey, the growth, and the person you become in pursuit of them. On overcoming obstacles. Randy Pausch had a unique perspective on obstacles. He viewed them not as roadblocks, but as opportunities to prove how badly we want something. When diagnosed with terminal cancer, he saw it as another challenge to confront. He didn't surrender. Instead, he continued teaching, researching, and inspiring others, making every moment count. This is a strong testament that obstacles don't define us. Our reaction to them does. So when you face your next hurdle, remember Pauch's words. The brick walls are there for a reason. The brick walls are not there to keep us out. The brick walls are there to give us a chance to show how badly we want something, on making the most out of time. Time was a treasured resource for Pauch, one he managed meticulously. He was aware that time is non-renewable, and once it's gone forever. To make the most of it, he focused on his priorities, eliminated time wasters, and maximized productivity. Pauch's example prompts us to look at our own lives. Are we making the best use of our time? Are we investing it wisely in pursuits that bring us closer to our dreams? Remember, time is the canvas on which we paint the masterpiece of our lives. On living a fulfilling life. Living a fulfilling life, for Pauch, was all about people and relationships. He emphasized the value of human connections, humility and gratitude. He highlighted the importance of saying sorry when we're wrong, expressing thanks when we're helped, and stepping back to let others shine. These principles are simple, but they often get lost in the hustle of life. By incorporating these into our daily lives, we can enrich our relationships, enhance our character, and ultimately lead a life filled with love, respect, and fulfillment. On empowering others. Finally, Pauch strongly believed in the power of empowering others. He consistently pushed his students to chase their dreams, even if it meant a tougher path. He took joy in seeing others succeed and often put their success before his. He knew that his legacy would live on through them. So how can we empower the people in our lives? It can be as simple as a word of encouragement, lending a helping hand, or sharing a skill. When we lift others, we rise too. In wrapping up, we've journeyed through the profound and enlightening messages that Randy Pausch shared in his last lecture. We've explored the importance of chasing our dreams, facing obstacles with courage, optimizing our time, leading fulfilling lives by nurturing relationships, and empowering others around us. The beauty of Pauch's wisdom is that it's universal. It can be applied to every facet of our lives, helping us to live more purposefully, meaningfully, and joyously. Now we want to hear from you. How have these lessons resonated with you? Have you experienced similar insights in your own life? How do you plan to implement these teachings in your daily routine? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends and loved ones, so they too can benefit from Randy Pausch's wisdom. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more enriching content. Until next time, remember, life is not about how many breaths you take, but about the moments that take your breath away. Stay inspired.